Hi everybody, it's James here. I'm in London. I'm in BitSpace, our SPC workshop in Greenwich. Now, Anthony and Liz have asked me just to do a short piece to camera so that you can hear from me about Mazi again, and I can remind you of some of the aspects of the project that are key to explaining how we're working together and what sort of plans we might have for the future. You know, since 2016, I've been collaborating with friends and some colleagues in the UK, Greece, Germany, and Switzerland to construct a toolkit for DIY networking development. Our research work concludes at the end of this year, 2018, with the launch of the Mazi toolkit, I think version 3 by then, which will include a set of guides, research reports, and technical tools for the establishment of Mazi zones wherever they're needed. So our hope is that Mazi will keep those seeking to improve their living and working conditions, to extend their options and promote community awareness of each other's efforts to overcome difficulties and celebrate successes together, much as you are doing, I'm sure. Your contribution to that process already resulted in improvements to the future adaptability of the toolkit for different languages, for different climates and energy conditions. So we've also improved our understanding of how to introduce DIY networking, active archiving, and photogrammetry in context with varied environments and conditions. Many thanks to you all, actually, for your help and patience throughout the process. It's invaluable to have a live working situation to help inform our design process. Later on this weekend, I'm going to be travelling to Edinburgh in Scotland, where I'll be going through a very similar workshop scenario as I did with you all from back in November. And we'll be attending something called DataFest, which is a week-long set of different conferences and workshops that are happening around the subject of digital media. And our particular subject, as you're familiar, is this idea of DIY networking and community action. So I'll be showing some of the Reverso work that we've done together. Plus, I'll be also showing other examples of how we've used Mazi toolkit to help develop situations in a whole variety of different locations, mostly locally here in southeast London, but also in other regions. So I hope that at some point you'll also get a chance to see some of the outcomes from these workshops. And when you're reflecting on your own campaigns in favelas and occupied housing, I hope that you'll remember that if you run into trouble or you need some support, you're very welcome to get in touch directly with me. Many of you have my contact details, phone number and email, or contact us through the forum on the reverso.resourceforge.org website. Now, as Liz will have probably shown you in the course of the afternoon, some more work has been done, and they've also at Central St Martin's been working on development of some archive projects themselves, which are now featured in the package. You're welcome to download some of those and review them in your own time or by sitting on the website itself. But of course, all of this work just goes on, and I just want to be able to take this opportunity to encourage you all to keep working together and find opportunities to exchange the knowledge and the experiences that you've had. And please keep in touch with us and let us know how you're getting on. So anyway, I'm not going to keep on wittering. I'd like you all to raise a glass when you next have an opportunity, and as I will for you, and I look forward to maybe meeting you again in the future. All right, cheerio from London. Bye.